In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on RallyCrew. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to assume you manage a business listing and you want this event associated with that business. If you're creating an event as an individual instead, the steps are basically the same. You'll just skip the business listing connection piece. Head to the Events tab and we're going to jump right into Create Event. Start with a clear event name people will recognize when they're scrolling. Now, add a full description. Include what it is, who it's for, what the flow of the day looks like, and what someone should bring, and anything people always ask you in DMs. Next is the short description. This is important because it's the preview text people see on the main events feed while they're browsing. If this is clear, people click. If it's vague, they scroll. Choose your event type and categories. Categories are what help people find you through search and filters, so be accurate. Add your event image. Events with a strong image get more taps. Also, this is the image people will see when the events get shared to Facebook or Instagram, or if we feature it in our newsletter or Whitewater Weekly. So, choosing a good image helps everywhere your event might show up. Quick tip. The image can display in different crops, so images with the main focus centered work best. Also, your image needs to be under 10 megabytes for it to work. Here's the big one. If you're hosting as a business, club, or organization, connect the events to your business listing right here. This is what makes your event show up under your business listing's hosted events, and later it keeps everything organized as upcoming turns into past events. Set the start and end date and time, and please do not skip the time zone. If people travel for your event, this matters. Set the appropriate skill level and select the Watercraft types. This helps the right paddlers find it and prevents mismatch. Fill in your location details so people know exactly where it's happening. Add your registration link or more info link so people don't have to hunt. If your event is designed for a specific community or audience, set that here. Before you publish, quick scan. Clear title, strong short description, dates and time zone correct, locations correct, tags are accurate, link included if registration is required. Then, hit Create Event. That was pretty quick and easy. It just took me a couple minutes to create. Now I'm going to jump over to the business listing side for a second, because that's where events get really organized if you're hosting through a business or organization. When your event is connected to a business listing, it shows up right here under Hosted Events. You can also see upcoming events and past events, so people can quickly understand what you run and what's coming next. Now let's make sure people can actually find it. Go back to the events list and search for it, and if needed, use filters like location and date range to narrow down. Got lots of events? No problem. Bulk upload is your friend. If you're adding 10 or more events, reach out and we're happy to help with a bulk upload. Want help giving your event a little extra exposure? Let us know. We have several ways we can help, including featuring events so they get additional visibility. If you're having trouble of any kind, reach out to justin@rallycrew.com and we'll get you sorted. That's how to create an event on RallyCrew, publish it, and make sure it's easy for paddlers to find. See you in the eddy.